Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'm showing you how to use our LD InkPods in your HP inkjet printer. LD InkPods are a new ink cartridge line that includes 3 ink refill pods and a reusable shell that securely keeps your refill in place. Each pod prints the same number of pages as a comparable high-yield ink cartridge and offers the same great print quality too. Installing the first pod is easy. Just remove the plastic clip and sealing tape and install it into your printer. LD InkPods track real-time ink levels on your printer's display, so you know exactly when your ink is running low. When it's time for new ink, press the gray tab to remove the used pod from the shell, insert the replacement pod, and install the cartridge into your printer. It's that easy. LD InkPods make printing affordable and convenient, so you can keep printing again and again without overspending. Shop ldproducts.com for all of your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.